In this video, how to add HDMI smartphone mirroring to your vehicle. It supports Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, all applications. NavTool is the only company that offers this product. Any Android phone will work in any vehicle with this interface. If your vehicle does not have Apple CarPlay, take advantage of NavTool's product and install it today. Buick Regal, 2014 to 2020. This particular demo is being shown in a GMC Yukon. However, any Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, or GMC vehicles will also be compatible with this device. They all have identical screens. The trim panel and the surroundings may look different, but the screens are all identical, therefore this device will work in any of those vehicles. This is your factory menu here. This menu is run from a computer somewhere in your car. Our device does not affect this menu at all. Our device uses the screen or monitor of the car to display Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or HDMI smartphone mirroring. None of the car's original factory settings or factory menu will be affected in any way. HDMI mirroring is pretty self-explanatory. Whatever you see on your cell phone screen will appear on your car screen. Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.